Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Opulent and inviting, French Baroque meets Damask drama. So you're dreaming of a space that feels opulent and inviting, rich in history but still livable? Let's talk about bringing French Baroque into your home, but we're going to soften its famously formal edges. The secret weapon: sumptuous damask wallpaper in a burgundy and cream color palette. This combo keeps the drama of the 17th century French court while wrapping it in warmth. We'll use that iconic, scrolling damask pattern to do all the heavy ornamental lifting. Imagine it creating instant texture and grandeur on your walls. The goal is a home that feels elegantly timeless, not like a museum. Start the story before anyone even steps inside. Think symmetry. Flank your front door with two classic urns overflowing with cream-colored flowers or neatly trimmed boxwoods. For the exterior, if you can, add a touch of stonework or a wrought iron balcony with swirling Baroque curves. Keep the garden structured with geometric parterre beds, perhaps lined with low hedges. Plant deep burgundy roses or dahlias against creamy gravel paths to echo your interior palette right from the curb. Welcome guests with a grand first impression. Cover your entryway walls in that gorgeous burgundy and cream damask. It sets the tone immediately. Place a robust, carved console table in dark walnut against it, topped with a large ornate gilded mirror. The mirror will bounce light and amplify the pattern. Add a simple cream vase with fresh flowers to balance the richness, and ensure your lighting is soft and warm, perhaps from a small crystal chandelier. This is where the magic really happens. Let the damask be your main wall feature, then build a cozy conversation. Upholster a large, comfortable sofa in a solid cream velvet to balance the busy walls. Accent with burgundy throw pillows and a lush, tasseled rug. Choose furniture with elegant curves. Look for cabriole legs and carved details on side tables. Keep window treatments lush but simple, like cream silk drapes tied back, allowing light to play on the damask's intricate pattern. Your bedroom should be a regal yet restful retreat. Consider using the damask on a single accent wall behind the headboard for maximum impact without overwhelm. Dress your bed in layers of creamy linens, topped with a burgundy velvet duvet or quilt. A tufted headboard or a bed with a gentle, arched canopy frame would be perfect. Finish with bedside sconces or lamps with fabric shades to cast a gentle, flattering glow for ultimate relaxation. Aim for intimate dinner party drama here. If your space allows, a dark, substantial dining table with those classic curved legs is ideal. Contrast it with cream-upholstered dining chairs, perhaps with a subtle sheen. Let a dramatic chandelier with crystal droplets be the jewel above the table. For every day, use simple cream dishes, but break out the burgundy glassware or a grand floral centerpiece when entertaining to make the whole room sing together. Yes, even the kitchen. French Baroque in here is all about the details. Opt for cream-colored cabinetry with subtle, raised panel details. You can introduce the Burgundy damask pattern in a practical way, as a backsplash tile with a similar motif, or even on a Roman shade at the window. Use open shilling to display creamy pottery in copper pots. Add hardware with an antique brass or pewter finish to complete the elegant, collected look. Turn your bathroom into a petite boudoir. A freestanding tub with classic curved lines is the star. Use the damask wallpaper here, but maybe in a smaller scale pattern to suit the room. Pair it with a vanity in a dark, rich finish and a marble or stone countertop in creamy tones. Plush burgundy towels and a small elegant stool add the final layers of luxury. It's all about creating a small personal sanctuary for your morning and evening routines.